how ONDC is different from other platform-centric models?
See, there are a lot of, I would say there are a lot of differences. सबसे पहले मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि ONDC के साथ when we compare it to other platforms, the trust factor is way higher, as we said, because government initiative है, buyer को भी and seller को भी, दोनों को trust रहता है for the platform. Secondly, I would say आपकी brand identity loss नहीं होती. If it's a one-party product, it would be sold as one-party. It would not be sold anonymous, कि भाई कोई नाम नहीं है. So your brand identity is there. And then there are a lot of flexible things with ONDC, I would say. आप खुद decide कर सकते हो कि आपका logistic partner कौन. There are multiple choices. So you decide your own logistic partner. You decide whether you want prepaid or COD. You decide your return or exchange policy. आप कितने दिन में fulfill करोगे order को. So all that convenience is with you. At other platforms, you don't get that. You have to work according to them. Out here that flexibility is there.
You're still your own boss while doing all the business.
And of course, one very big factor is when I compare it to the other platforms, commission. The commission at ONDC is way lesser than any other platform. So which makes it very easy for the sellers as well as the buyers, I would say. For us, because since commission कम है तो we can offer discounts to customers and वहाँ पे buyers के लिए it's easier because you could get things at a better rate because marketing costs हमारी कम हो जाती है when the commission is less, so it becomes very easy. So ये बहुत बड़ा difference था between other platforms and ONDC.